Finding the square root of a number which is not perfect square. If any number is not perfect square, how to find out the square root? Using this division method only, we'll see now. For example, find out the square root of 4 point. Let us take one question. 24 point. Let me take easy one. So 24.729. So question is find the square root of this up to 2 decimal places, or up to, let's take a 3 place of decimals. So this problem, let me take this correct to 2 decimal places first, then we can see other one. So find out the square root of 24.729 correct to 2 places of decimals. 2 places of decimal. So after the point we need to get 2 decimal places. So 2 places of decimal. So we need to arrange the question like this, division method. Given question is 24.729. Whenever the required question is 2 places of decimals, means we have to find out the 3 decimal places first. Based on the third decimal, if it is 5 or more, we will add the previous number, right? That means if you want the 3 places of decimals, we need to take 6 digits after the point, but only 3 are there. So another places you can adjust the zeros. Okay, this is the first step. After the point should be 6 decimal places. Correct to 2 places of decimals only you have to find out. But we have to go for the 3 places of decimals. Then based on the third decimal, we can correct up to 2 decimal places. So whenever they are asking 2 places of decimals, take the 3 decimal place and make double number. So after the point 6 digits. Okay, now for this we need to find out the square root. Same division method will apply. Let us see this how to do. From right side you need to mark 2 2 set. This is 2 2. After the point should be even digits always. And 24. So first one is 24. This is 4 4 is 16. Same place. These 2 places. Quotient and this divisor place must be same. 4 4 is 16 because 5 5 is 25. It's more than it. Subtract this. 24 minus 16 is 8. Now when you take the set after the decimal place, immediately also keep the point here. Okay. Next, as second step is what is the number, you can add again one more 8. So 879. So after the point should be same, these 2 places. 81 into 1, 82 into 2, 83 into 3 until you get 872 you should do. So 89 9 so 801. Okay, this is the maximum. And next subtraction, this same method like division method, just to go for subtraction 71. Next to take one more set down, 90 it is. Now we need to add one more. What is the units place? You should add again digit. 89 plus 9. This is 98, right? Now next place, units place should be here and here must be same. That means 981 into 1, 982 into 2 until reach less than 7190. So 987 sevens. That is 6909. Tougher card only. Just you can subtract this because 988 into 8 is more than this. Okay, and we subtract 281. Next set 2 zeros. Okay, now here units place only should be added. Units place is 7. Now one more 7 you can add. 987 plus 7 is 994. Right, now these places must be same here until you get 28,100. 9,941 into 1, 9,942 into 2. 2 into 2 only will come less than this, 19,884. Subtract this, same 8216. But after the point we got 3 decimal places, right? Now square root of 24.729 is equals to 4.972. Then up to 2 place of decimals is third decimal is 2. If it is 5 or more, then we should add the previous number because it's less than 5, no, just only 4.97 only. 4.97 only is answer. up to 2 places of decimals. Okay, this way we can solve. Let me take one more question. Yeah, let us take another one. Instead of finding, example, find the square root of root 2, root 3, those time. Find square root of, let us find out the 3. Find the square root of 3 up to, let me take the 3 place of decimals this. Okay, up to 3 places of decimal. Yes. So we need to find out the square root of 3. Only 3 is here. But up to 3 places of decimals now, we have to find out up to 4 places. That means we need to get 4 sets. So 8 zeros. Just you can keep. And you need to do the division method for this. Okay, same will apply. Let's find out. From right side you can mark 2 as one set. Next to 3. After the point compulsory, even number of decimals. Even number of places you should see. 3 is this, because 1 so 1, because 2 2s are 4, it is more than that. Subtract this 2, next set 2 0. So after the point I took set now down, so I must keep the point. 1 should be double if it is 2. Now remember these 2 places. 27 sevens are, because 28 8s are more than this one. 27 sevens are 189. Subtract this 11, next set 2 zeros. 27 plus another 7, 34. So I can't rough work these 2 places. 343 threes are 343 threes are 1029, right? Subtract this 71. Next set, take this. Now same plus 3, one more I can add, 346. So this place, that is 3461 into 1, 3462 into 2, because 3 into 3 is more will come. So 6924. Subtract this, you'll get 176. Next is 2 zeros. So if you go for double this number, just what will come? Plus 2. So 3464. So 3000, almost you got 3464. But next place, it is a small, if you observe in this place, if you see zeros only, 0. So 0 will come, because even 34,641 into 1 is more than 17,000, right? So 0 should supposed to come. That's it. We subtract also, same will come, but not required. Now square root of 3 is 1.7320, up to 3 places of decimals. So fourth place is 0. That means 1.732 only, square root of 3. So to find out the square root, even which is not perfect square, we can do in this method. Okay, here is the last step, because of 1 into 1 is more than 70,600. So I suppose took 0 only here. In that way also remember. Okay, these are the problems to find out the square root, the number which is not perfect square. And in this only some word problems I will show here one. Here is the question. This is observed. Find the least number that must be subtracted from 2433, so that remainder is perfect square. So what number should be subtracted from this? What is the least number? Actually this is a 2433 is not perfect square, but we must subtract from that. For that same division method will apply, take the same question. 2433. 2433 you take. Same like division method only, continue the problem. Let us see what we have to subtract. Okay, this is 24, right? So 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16, because 5 5 is 25, more than this. Subtract this 8. Next set is 3 3. So 4 should be double, that is 8. Next 89 9s are 801. Okay, if you subtract, 32 is the remainder, 32 place. So 32 extra we got here. So the 32 extra we need to subtract from this. If it is 32, if you remove, we'll get only 2 4, just 301 31. but 32 we need to remove. So how much you get? Same division method you do, whatever you'll get extra here, that should be subtracted. Because this is another one. Only exactly 801 means 89 nines 801 will get. But instead of getting 0, we got extra remainder 32. So clearly we can say this. If 32 is subtracted from, if this is subtracted from, which is the question 2433, then the remainder will be perfect square. Then we'll get. So you can check this also. 2433 minus 32, that is 2401. So this is the perfect square now. This is exactly 49. So therefore square root of 2401 is nothing but 49 only. Whatever we get, that only will come. In case after subtracting what is the perfect square also, we can write this. And this is what should be subtracted from this. We are doing this way. For example, what should be added? Next question you see is the problem. In this question, find the least number that must be added to this. So what number if you add to this, it will become a perfect square. So division method will apply. Let me take this question 818265. As per the division method, let us continue. For the last two and this is 1, right? Okay, so 1 times 1 is 1, subtract 0, next set is 82. So 1 should be double, this side is 2. Now what will get? 23 3s are 69, because 24 4s are more than 82. This is 39. Next set is 65. So if you take plus 3 more, 26. So here 260 until less than 1365. 265 into 5, 1325. If we subtract, we got 40. 40 extra we got. Hence the required number. So this is actually 135 only we should take. That means the number is greater than, what is the number we got? Greater than 135 square, because we got remainder. So 135 square if you do. So this is the greater. So this only less than 1,82,065. That means square root of what you can take this number, square root of 1,82,065. This value is clearly this is the greater than 135 square. So we have to go for the 136. So are adding the required number to get, we should have be getting 136 square. That means we are supposed to get 136 square value. So 136 square is means 136 into 136. So 1 lakh, this is 18,496. This is 18,265. Yeah, 136 square is this. That means difference of this, that is actually 18,496 minus 18,625. You subtract this, 231. So 231 is supposed to add to this. 18,265 is not perfect square. We need to add extra 231 to make it as a perfect square. That perfect square is nothing but 136. Okay, that's 18,265. So same way we should do. What should be subtracted means whatever the answer you got, you have to subtract. But what should be added is what the quotient will come. Next number square you find out, and that minus given quotient. Whatever you get, that should be added, right? So we can, the required number to add is 231. Okay, these are the ways we can do. And next we'll see the properties of the square numbers also.